Welcome in once again to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecasts of Bitcoin during the past few days. Guys, this content is not any official financial advice. It's for entertainment and educational purposes only. Guys, let's start off with the fear and greed index, currently at neutral at 53. But that was before, Bitcoin had its latest dump that we're going to discuss in the chart. So right now we were consolidating sideways based on market sentiment and even pushing a little bit back up. But I think this is going to dump down by tomorrow. In the next 5 hours, we're going to have an update. We'll definitely keep you guys informed in our next video. We expect a dump at least down to 48, which is the local low right here, and maybe even possibly break it and make a new low around 50. But we'll definitely keep you guys informed. The market was neutral before the dump that we're going to discuss today. But before we get to it, again, Bitcoin's price is at $25,438, guys. Excuse me, as we can see, in the last 24 hours, down 6.43%. Wow. And in the last week, now down 8%. Incredible, the move in the last 24 hours for Bitcoin. And as we can see here, the volume is ramping up. A lot of sell pressure, up 140%. The volume, wow, the $20 billion market cap is down below 500 billion at 493 billion, down 6.43%. And Bitcoin is making moves, as we can see here in the charts. But before we get, wow, what a candle, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really does help out. Click right here, just double check for me. Also click that bell to stay tuned for our new videos, guys, and also like this video, as it really does help out with the algorithm. And what do we offer? We have a free educational playlist, pen, pencil, and piece of paper. You can grab it, come in here, educational presentations left and right, free education, free cryptocurrency education. It can't get any easier than that. How do you get this? Link in the description down below. You're just a click away and you'll get access to those free videos via that playlist. Look at that. As we're recording this video, Bitcoin continues to dump with this massive, more than $1,500 candle here today. There's some rumors that Binance is getting sued by the SEC, and the panic is setting in now. Again, those are just fundamental events. We study the charts here, but still, wow, it's crazy to see how we got clearly rejected from the $27,250 mark, pierced through the $26,513 previous resistance that we were range bound here. Excuse me, for the last couple of weeks and months, guys. Wow. So a lot of price action here, as we can see, dumping down as we're recording. The candle doesn't even have a buy wick anymore, just dumping as we speak towards that $25,171 pivotal support that we've been talking on the channel for months now, guys. Wow. It's finally great to see the price back here, and this is it. This is the final stand for Bitcoin. If this support doesn't hold, then man, we expect prices what? Towards 22.6? Yeah, that'd be a couple of $1,000 move towards the downside. That's crazy. The RSI also dumping today, making a new local low from the previous uptrend. Wow, as we can see here. And then the stochastic RSI, the cross continues down towards the 20 level and probably below. The downtrend continues, the macro downtrend, where you have lower highs and now a new local low for Bitcoin's price. Insanity in the markets, a lot of volatility. The markets are dumping. It's just a lot of craziness going on the weekly as well. Again, the week just started though, so keep that in mind. It has ample time, Bitcoin, to recover above the 21 weekly moving average, but that's a key fundamental moving average, guys. Right now, look at that support of $21,100 here. Wow, we're coming back down to touch it. Again, the candle hasn't closed, but right now we're below, so this week is gonna be pivotal for Bitcoin's price, for us to determine, the possible continuation of this brand new downtrend, guys. All in all, the uptrend is still intact on the weekly. We haven't made a lower low yet, but right now, first signs of weakness, usually this is how it starts, and then it pans out throughout the next several weeks. So we'll keep you guys informed. And then the Bitcoin dominance, we broke, this triangular pennant formation here, we broke down. So now we expect the 47% to be the last stand for Bitcoin's dominance. If that breaks down, guys, then we expect, wow, 44-45% once again. And then, this consolidation would be invalidated, bullish consolidation, 47% break. So keep an eye out for that, Bitcoin's dominance, guys. Still below 49 cents. That continues to be the massive resistance, and 47 cents percent. Now we're range bound here, and you don't want to see that break down, because if it does, then Bitcoin will lose dominance over the markets. But yeah, all in all, new low here for the dominance in the RSI, and in the stochastic, it seems that it might curve down a little bit more, but we'll definitely keep you guys informed. Guys, if you enjoyed today's update, don't forget, link in the description down below. You can find our website, great tools and investment resources for you guys. And in conclusion, Bitcoin, man, making massive moves. Volume is coming in. People are panic selling. They're scared due to regulation and the SEC and all that good stuff. So we'll definitely keep you guys informed. But wow, what a massive dump today. Bitcoin breaks down. And yeah, I just wanted to, to analyze the charts to keep you guys informed of the key levels to look forward in the next couple of days. Guys, thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention, and hope you guys have a good one.